Hey, welcome to Foodie, a channel about food. Are you trying to lose weight? When people hear about the words lose weight, the first two things that come to mind are exercising and dieting, but neither of these are easy to do. Don't you ever wish that calories can just magically disappear when you consume them? Well, fortunately, this is actually possible. In fact, it's already been done for carbs like rice and potatoes. According to research presented at the American Chemical Society's national meeting in 2015, chilling cooked rice that's been boiled in a teaspoon of coconut oil in a refrigerator for 12 hours can reduce calories by as much as 60%. 60%! To put that into perspective, a cup of white rice has about 200 calories. That means you'll only be consuming around 80 calories. But why does this happen? Well, rice is made up of both digestible and resistant starch. And basically, our bodies are stupid and can't produce the enzymes to digest that second type. So resistant starch isn't transformed into sugar and absorbed like digestible starch. The more resistant starch a food has, the fewer calories from that starch our bodies will absorb. In more scientific terms, the glucose units in hot cooked rice have a loose structure, but when it cools down, the molecules rearrange themselves into very tight bonds that are more resistant to digestion. By the way, this is not an accurate model of what actually happens. Anyways, adding a fat, like coconut oil, provides a barrier against quick digestion when the fat molecule wedges its way into the rice. Also, making rice starch more resistant has other perks beside cutting calories. It can also provide energy for the bacteria inside the human gut. Best of all, reheating the rice won't change the levels of resistant starch, so the calorie hack is safe for leftovers too. Try this out if you're trying to cut calories for whatever reason. But remember, this is not an end-all be-all for your weight loss or fitness journey. Okay, have a right day and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Tune in next time for more food videos.